the Wolf at Work, and this is Molly.
Hi.
And the Wolf is getting crazy with the Eli Young Band on Sunday, October 30th at Snoqualmie Casino. And all we want you to do is make a Wolf-tastic shirt for your ticket into the show. To do to make your Wolf shirt is save the logo to your computer. Print the logo onto transfer paper specific to your type of printer. Wash the shirt you plan on applying the transfer to. That's a good tip, right? Preheat a clothing iron and make sure there is no water in the iron to produce steam. You want hot, dry, you want a hot, dry iron. Find a large, clean, hard surface that you can place the shirt over. Put cardboard or a towel inside the shirt. Apply transfer to the shirt. Place the hot iron onto the shirt and work in a circular motion from the middle of the transfer to the edges. Or you can just shake it like a country girl. Shake it like a country girl. Now allow the backing to cool and then peel off the backing slowly from a sharp angle, one of the corners. And oh my gosh, this is so exciting! You're about to have a Wolf-tastic, Wolf-alicious, totally wolfed out t-shirt! Molly, let's hold that beautiful thing up. And this is your ticket into the Eli Young Band with 100.7 The Wolf.